Okay, so we're back and hopefully recording computer audio. I'm going to make the music organizer object. It loads 4 tracks. And if I tell the music organizer, list those tracks, whoops, that's list at a particular location, list all tracks, I can see that it read 4 tracks from off of the hard drive, and now it's pulled those in as track objects. Now, I'm going to clear the console and close that. This is happening because I'm working from the music organizer folder, and if I look at my music organizer.java, this is the class that's responsible for this. The audio is not here. I need to go up one level, back up to the parent directory, back up to the parent directory, and then there's a folder named audio, and in the audio folder, that's where these tracks live. Now, that's because the music organizer class, in its constructor, we make the tracks object, we make a music player object, we make a track reader object, and we call read library saying go up one directory level and then come back down into the directory named audio. So this is hard-coded into the way the music player is written. If you wanted to, you could extend this by creating a overloaded constructor, which would take a path name that you could point anywhere you want. But for right now, you just need to make sure that the audio folder's in the proper location. Let's listen to some of the music.
I'm broke and I ain't got a dime. I'm broke and I ain't got a dime.
So you should have heard just, and it might have been very faint, a little bit of the first song that's in the array list. But you can play other songs by just choosing a different index. So here we have track 2, the one in position 3, the third position in the array list. And since my screen recorder is a Java program, and this is a Java program, and they're both dealing with the audio devices, there is sometimes a little bit of contention there. So I'm going to end this recording so we can move on, but that is a bit about how this is laid out.